Happy Diwali to all of you. I am Amit and welcome to our channel Study with Amit. I know that you all are very excited to celebrate this Diwali, but you should keep some things in your mind. Yes, this Diwali should be not that much as we celebrated before because at that time in our past we just moved from one place to another, moved with friends, but now we can't celebrate like this due to COVID-19. So, what we should do? First, the I don't know that what happened to the youths and youngs that they are telling that go green with the all that crackers with taking the picture of all that crackers they are telling that go green. I don't know that's which type of mentality of the youngsters that they are thinking that few comparisons that rocket gives this much fuel, uses this much fuel, pollutes this much air as in one Diwali we pollute. So what they are trying to say, you can't understand means simple things that if you celebrate Diwali, yes, what you have to do, why this Diwali was celebrated. This Diwali, many of them don't know that why this Diwali was celebrated. So I have to tell it that Diwali was celebrated because the king of Ayodhya, Sri Ramchandra, came back from 14 years of Vanvasa to his capital. He returned back after 14 years to his capital Ayodhya. That's why on this occasion, on this auspicious occasion, this Diwali is celebrated. Was celebrated at that time. All the houses were light with diyas. That's what it was there. There were no crackers, there were no China bulbs, all that we see it today. There were nothing such like that. So why we are doing this? What we want to show? This is just what we say, the development of the mentality of the generation. That's why we are just caught in this that we are bursting crackers, so we are celebrating Diwali. There is nothing such like that. Just it shows that we are happy. We are happy as our king means Sri Ramchandra came back from the 14 years Vanvas. That's why we are happy, and on that occasion that he returned back, we are celebrating it, showing that we are lighting lamps, we are lighting diyas, candles. Candles, yes, we can light that. That's a very good thing. If we practice these things and tell others, give this knowledge that we should do this, and why I will tell you that what you want to do, the youths, those who are taking the youngster to wrong direction, sharing this message that go green and such things. I'm telling that yes, you are telling you are correct. You are correct that what we say, the spaceship leaves this much of pollution, this much pollutes, it pollutes the air this much. Yes, it pollutes, but it is for good of the nation, for this world. It is for something which will progress ourselves. But what the crackers will give you means what you want to do. If you see that you are first of all you are seeing that a jet is giving this much pollution, polluting this much air in our environment, and after that you are comparing and you are telling that I will also burst this much crackers. So what you want to do, you want to live or not, you want to live or not. First you are seeing that jet is giving this much of pollution to environment, it is contributing this much pollution to environment, and after that by seeing that you should do that, you should means you should try to save the environment, planting trees, all these things. I will not say that I'm giving you knowledge, but today's Diwali. So I should tell you that why you should do this and what is the reason. See in Delhi, if you go and see in Delhi that there the pollution has reached to a lot extent. The people are not going out of their houses. Why? The air is polluted, the smoke is all around the city, all around the place. So where they will go? The smoke is irritating the eyes of people, which is very harmful. If you inhale this, what it will do, I don't know. You know, you are a student, you would have read in your books that what it can do and how it can harm ourselves. There are lots and lots of diseases in the lungs of human. There are lots of diseases, asthma, bronchitis, all that things. And CO, carbon monoxide, if you inhale, you are surely that you will die. It is sure that you will die. So what what I want to say that yes, you celebrate Diwali, but at an extent that is beneficial, that everyone can see. That is not the thing. The thing is that you are celebrating. You are not bursting crackers. That's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. So this was my message for today, that you all, if you want to burst crackers, then in place of that, wasting your money and your parents' money, yes, your parents' money, you have seen someone buying crackers with their own money? No. So you are wasting the money. You keep it in any other place. You invest it in any other place. You invest, you take sweets. You can celebrate it. You can eat it with your friends, neighbors, family, all that. And this will surely bring sweetness to your relations and to your family, neighbors, and all that. So you should just, what I say, that light candle, diyas are the best. If you get diyas, then it is a very good thing. And I have arranged the diyas, and I will show it in the next video of where I have bought that. So this is the video. Thanks for watching this. I hope that this Diwali would surely bring happiness, joy, and all the good things, all the happiness of this world to our families. So, thank you everyone. Thanks for watching this, and thank you. Happy Diwali to all of you.